Without programmer, none of us would be able to enjoy any of the luxuries technology has to offer. Programs are found in everything from video games to phone apps, and that pool of products is growing. Apart from companies in the technology sector, there are an increasing number of businesses relying on computer code. Among different types of programming language, today I would like to talk about Python. Python is a general-purpose and high-level programming language. You can use Python for developing desktop GUI applications, websites and web applications. Why should we prefer Python to other? Number 1. Python, unlike other programming languages, emphasizes on code readability, and allows you to use English keywords instead of punctuations. Hence, you can use Python to build custom applications without writing additional code. The readable and clean code base will help you to maintain and update the software without putting extra time and effort. Number 2. Python is supported by many operating systems. Number 3. Many Python developers even use Python to accomplish artificial intelligence (AI) and natural language processing tasks. With a Python skill set, you can work in top companies like Google, Facebook, Instagram, Spotify and Paytm. How much do Python developers earn? The entry-level Python developer salary in the US is $78,176 a year on average. The average junior Python developer salary is $89,776. The mid-level Python developer salary reaches $111,896. While the senior Python developer earns $122,093 on average. I recommended one site for to learn Python now. Go to the link below in the description to get started learning Python and use the referral code for discount. If you are new to here, please press the like button and the red button for more videos. Thanks for watching my video.